Imagine a world where your office is just a few steps away from your bedroom, and your commute is a thing of the past. Welcome to the future of work. 8 in 10 remote-capable employees now expect to work in a hybrid or fully remote setup. This isn't just a trend, it's a revolution. Since the pandemic, the workforce has been in a state of flux, wondering if we would ever return to the office full-time. Media headlines have painted a picture of a power struggle between employees wanting remote work and employers demanding a return to the office. But many employers are finding a middle ground. Companies like Meta and Zoom have introduced hybrid work mandates, requiring employees to be on-site only a few days a week. This hybrid model is now typical among the 5 in 10 U.S. employees who have remote-capable jobs. Our analysis suggests that a full return to pre-pandemic office arrangements is unlikely. Gallup has been closely tracking these changes, surveying over 200,000 employees since the pandemic began. The data shows that hybrid work is the most common style for remote-capable employees. In 2019, 60% of remote-capable employees worked fully on-site. Today, that number has dropped to just 20%. Meanwhile, the percentage of employees working exclusively remotely has jumped from 8% in 2019 to 29% today. Hybrid work has seen the most significant increase, becoming the dominant work arrangement. These shifts have reshaped the workplace, with 5 in 10 employees now working hybrid, 3 in 10 fully remote, and 2 in 10 entirely on-site. Most remote-capable employees are now working where they expect to work long-term. In 2021, we predicted a 37% reduction in office traffic due to remote work flexibility. Today, those projections have come true. 8 in 10 chief human resources officers from Fortune 500 companies report no plans to decrease remote work flexibility in the next 12 months. 9 in 10 remote-capable employees prefer some remote work flexibility, with the majority favoring hybrid work. This alignment between employees' preferred and actual work locations creates a better employee experience. When employees work from their desired location, they are more engaged, less burned out, and less likely to quit. 3 in 10 hybrid workers are extremely likely to leave if not offered remote flexibility, and 6 in 10 fully remote workers feel the same. The future of the office has arrived, and it is hybrid. Hybrid work is here to stay. But what does it look like in practice? On average, hybrid workers come into the office 2.6 days per week, with the most common days being Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Office attendance patterns have remained steady, suggesting that new flexible work habits are sticking. 4 in 10 hybrid workers get to set their own office schedule, while 5 in 10 have a required hybrid schedule. The right amount of flexibility depends on the nature of the organization and the type of work being done. Hybrid workplaces function best when people use the office to connect and collaborate in person with intentionality. Gallup finds that hybrid workers are most engaged when their team works together to determine their hybrid schedules. Empowering teams to design their hybrid work practices may be the greatest opportunity for improvement in today's workplace. Leaders need to ensure that people come to the office with intentionality, to collaborate, develop, and build relationships. The future of work is not just about flexibility. It's about creating a strong workplace culture and optimizing productivity. The future of the office has arrived, and it's hybrid. Embrace it.